God, he was actually the small one. Oh, oh no, there was one that dwarfed him.
Easy to train.
Yeah, they really are. He's just really a gentle soul. I've got some little puppies. Oh, he wants to go with you, girl.
Yeah,
Silly.
see, he won't let me. Yeah.
What, do you have shepherds?
No, well, we're back in New York State. I've been looking to get a shepherd.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, this one's for sale.
Yeah, this one's for sale.
Very sweet.
We'll take him on the plane. They'll
First
never
time he
know
ever
if
saw
it.
me,
We'll
look
just
at
get a ticket for him. We'll never know if he's a human or. But that's better than the people on.
Here, take him for a little walk.
Hey, Andre.
Thank you.
See you later. Thank you.
You have no treat yet. You gotta have some treat.
Come on, one treat. I got a treat for you. Come here. Here, a treat.
You're not supposed to give it to him until he goes. Come on. Andre.
Awesome, huh?
Oh, perfect.
Hey, yo.
Get you behind the wheel of one of those.
Do you want to walk?
Yeah.
Instead of walking.
I'm not going far. Come here. By me.
All right, you're not supposed to wrap that leash like that, though, girl.
Oh. I thought it was a train that you're supposed to. I know Caesar. Caesar. Andre.
No, I'll show you here. Let me show you. Andre. Andre. Leash very loose. Andre.
Oh, perfect.
Andre.
Oh, perfect.
Andre. See how loose though?
Wow.
Andre.
Heel.
Look at him prancing. He's a proud little puppy.
Down. Well, oh, Andre. That dog came out and surprised me.
Wow.
Well, I mean, yes, you do want to shape the behaviors that you want. I mean, you could do it without it, but then he wouldn't have the nice
daughter?
attitude.
Oh.
She's the camera girl.
Oh. We're in your way, huh?
No, you're in the episode. You're playing the role of the people from New York.
The New Yorkers, huh?
You need to develop your accent. We need stronger accents.
See, we're not from the city. We're from upstate.
Oh,
That's why,
okay.
Need a glass of water.
Isn't that New Jersey?
Boston. And... Hi, Andre. He is beautiful. Hey.
I'm so sore.
I can't believe he's only 9 months.
9 months.
No, I'm telling you guys, he was the small one. There was actually another male that just dwarfed him.
You are a baby.
And my vet down there, Dr. Cox, they've got the brother from the previous litter with the same parents, and they said he's 120 pounds.
How much bigger will he get? I mean,
No, I mean, he's not going to shrink at all.
no, he's not going to shrink. Is that about an average 100, 110 pounds?
Well, I just think somehow these ended up bigger or something.
Yeah.
You can't tell, you
Yeah.
know what I mean? There's no way to really predict how.
I know
How big
my
is it gonna
sister
be?
has a 6'4" and my
Yeah.
sister has a 5'8".
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, he's beautiful. All right, have a good
All right,
day.
thanks
huh?
so much,
All
you
right.
guys.
Yeah.
Take care.
Wow.
New York says goodbye.
Exit stage left, exit stage left. Bye, you guys. Good. Andre. Oh, Andre liked them. Good. Andre. Good. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Down. See what people want to do there, guys. That's the classic thing, is to just wrap the leash, get a tight grip on them. That was the worst thing you can do. All right, so just do a couple more of the downs. Andre. Lifting him up with the pager. Heel. Down. Oh, he is a wonderful, wonderful dog. So you want to do the same thing over and over again. Andre. Turn him with the pager. Heel. Good. Heel. Down. All right, guys, more updates.